Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to add a Spotify podcast episode to your Touchday guides using custom elements. So here I am in Content Hub and I want to add this custom element to the welcome category. So I'm going to click on the welcome category here, click the drop down into the welcome subcategory, and I'm going to create my own topic. So you can see here I already have two playlists, but today I'm going to add a podcast episode. So I click add topic, I go to your own topic, and so I'm going to drop in a podcast episode about some Catalan history from the Catalan news channel. It's really interesting and it teaches me a lot about Catalonia, because Catalonia is the region which Barcelona sits within. So it's quite a nice thing to educate the people who are coming to Barcelona and viewing my guide about this wonderful region that's so rich in history. So I've added some text to my topic. You don't have to add text for a custom element, but it's always nice to give a bit of flavor to the information you're adding. So I'm just going to now add my custom element. So to do this, it's super easy. I click custom element. This brings up the insert custom element menu, and this is a new element. So I click add new element. First, I choose the third-party service that I want to add, and that is a Spotify podcast. So you can see we have Spotify here for playlists, and then Spotify podcast at the bottom here. So I've chosen that. The element code name is automatically generated, but I'm going to change this to Catalan podcast so I know which one it refers to, and I look back at this list later. And then I need to add in the Spotify podcast link. So to do this, I have to go to Spotify. And here is the podcast. It's called Filling the Sink. Filling the Sink is a Catalan phrase. So there's lots of episodes. So I'm just scrolling through these. I'm going to add the one about Catalan Wikipedia because it's all about the language and the culture of Catalonia, which is pretty cool. So I click the three dots here on this episode. I go to the share settings and I go to copy episode link. I've copied that. Lovely. Then I go back into Touchday and I just paste in the link there. Fab. And then you can see the last box here, the standard element height has been chosen for me. So this is the height that the embed frame will show at in my guide. You can come back anytime and change this if you want it to be taller or shorter, but for now I'm going to leave it at the standard, and then I click save. Wonderful. I can see that's been successfully created and it's automatically been selected from the drop-down list of all of my different elements I already have created. Great. So I click insert. You can see that that now has been created here and it just looks like a regular field code. So that's done. So I'm going to add this topic to my Barcelona guide because I want all the folks who are coming to visit me in Barcelona to see that, and I click submit. Super. So let's see what this looks like from the guest view. So I click preview guides. I go to Bienvenido a Barcelona. And this has opened up the desktop view. Of course, this will look different on your guest's mobile. Everything will be shrunk down to fit mobile view, but this is lovely for desktop for now. So I click into my guide. I'm in the welcome category. I'll scroll down and here we are, learn some Catalan history. And here we have a preview of the episode of Filling the Sink, which is a really nice way to share this information instead of just having a static link, and just add some more interactive elements to my guidebook with custom elements. Give it a go.